guys, welcome to Spain, welcome to a new vlog. I am in Alicante, blah blah blah, just a little vacation of course. I took a trade this week and I took some trades on Nasdaq as well because most of you know I am learning futures. I am doing actually great in futures. Last week we took 6 positions. 4 of them went to take profit and 2 of them went back to break even. So with that I recovered all the stupid losses I took on my challenge when I was learning, and I'm now back in profit. And yesterday we took 1 small loss, and then right now we are also in a current position that is at the moment, yeah, just a little bit in profit. I will show you guys later. But fucking Powell is speaking in 20 minutes and I'm probably gonna close before that, because it's absolutely not worth being in a trade while Paul speaks. About Forex, we also took a trade on Forex yesterday. We took AUD NZD with the whole group. We were up 2% this night, and then we woke up and basically break-even was already hit. So that kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie, I really hate Forex at the moment. Markets are so bad since the tariffs. It's really hard to trade under 4 hour, I feel, lately. And I'm not the only one that says this. I've multiple contacts, people I know that trade different strategies, but also swing trading daily, weekly, 4 hour. And they also say it's way more difficult than in the beginning of the year. So it's nice to see that it's not my problem, but there's also other people who are facing this issue. But I know it will probably come back, because this trade AUD NZD was the first time in fucking 2 months maybe that it felt like Q1 markets again. Price action felt good. He rejected my demand zones. He rejected my lower time frame demand zones very well, as he should, like he did in the start of the year when I had such a great run. So yeah, that did feel great. And to be honest, that he went back to break even wasn't that weird, because maybe on a, I'd say, 1 hour time frame we were kind of bearish. It didn't break the high again, so it didn't make sense. It's just sad to see. I think, if I'm not wrong, that is now again rejecting on my break-even point. So he tapped us out 2 pips, then rejected it again. I will go over this trade completely. You will see it later. It's good to be here, man. It's really good to be here. Hey guys, I also wanted to talk about crypto because it is finally looking good. I'll explain to you a little bit. So Solana is doing great. We broke out of the trend line. We broke out of a support. We broke out of a resistance area on the way up. So BTC dominance is dropping and altcoins dominance is pumping. So we might see a sol season coming soon again. I am probably gonna play on that a little bit. Maybe we can make a few $1,000, not too much. I'm not gonna risk like a lot, because in the end I don't really like crypto. People who know me know that. It doesn't really make sense to me. It's just pretty much a gamble. Everything is basically a gamble, but crypto is different. I don't like these meme coins. But you know what? If you have a little bit money on the side that you can basically throw away, it's worth the risk for me to maybe have a potential 3-4x in the end. So I will probably be doing that. And if that works out, I will probably spend it again on bullshit and crazy shit for content, like I always do. So yeah, that's another thing that's probably gonna happen soon. Crypto is finally looking good again. It's been a wild run. I mean, there hasn't been a run yet, but it's valid, it's valid. And Nasdaq is pumping, ES is pumping. I accidentally took Nasdaq on my fucking trade away challenge because Nasdaq was open and I forgot to change it to ES. Yeah, both are going good, so it doesn't really matter. But I liked ES more the moment I entered because of the price action. It was way nicer and the risk reward was also higher on ES, I think. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, both are going good. So that's nice to see. Powell is speaking in 15 minutes, so I will definitely close before that. It's absolutely not worth it, especially not because at the moment Trump is kind of hating on Powell, so who knows the type of bullshit he's going to pull off on that meeting. And here we have fucking AUD NZD. This was what our position looked like, entered somewhere there. So this night, as you can see, we were up. I remember being up something like 1.9 risk reward. We got tapped out. Entry was way lower than, man. We literally got tapped out by the pip, and rejected it again. I don't know if I'm gonna re-enter. I don't really like it anymore. And that's what I said. He didn't break his previous highs. So that's initially what I don't liked about it yet. I'm just gonna skip it. I don't know, it doesn't really matter since we have a lot of no's and I don't have other setups, guys. Forex is fucking boring at the moment. I don't know what it is. Just reckless moves to one side, no pullbacks, no retracements, one-sided movement, or big consolidations, or just bullshit. That doesn't make sense anymore lately. So it's just patience, 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 patience until the good markets are back, and then I hope I can have a quarter 1 comeback again. We did fucking 43%, I think, in January, February, March, April combined. Then May was our first negative month, I think, and then for June we did -1 or something, nothing really bad. So I also know that just 2 trades can literally make up everything again. It's just 2 trades. Like when I was 2 risk reward this night, it was already profitable for the month, but then we can make the break even, so it doesn't matter. That's how simple it is. I just need 2 trades and we're completely back. Patience on that, guys. Okay, I just closed a little bit in profit, probably speaking, in 9 minutes. And after this push off, I was just not waiting for a useless loss because I was going to close anyways. And imagine if it drops to here and then goes up again. I don't want that. I don't want to close here, then Powell speaks and it goes up again. That for me is kind of annoying. So that's why I closed already. I will see after Powell what he gives us. But to be honest, in futures, I am currently at 7 on 7. No, 7 on 8. I have 1 loss, then 4 winners, 3 break evens. So I'm really, really happy about that. And I'm really happy about how it is. What am I saying? I really am curious about how the journey is going to go. And this is exactly why I closed. Guys, we're not even correlating anymore. Nasdaq is dropping and S&P is just pushing. Doesn't make sense. What is Powell doing? So I'm happy I closed because imagine if this move was to the other side, stop loss would have been already hit. And I would have been mad because it's not following the rules, and if you don't follow the rules, you stop loss. It's not worth it. You'll be mad for the whole day, and it's not worth it at all. If I was still in the trade, I would have moved stop loss to break even because we are at a supply here. So in the end, valid trade idea. It's just not worth it to gamble on a guy with so much influence. So guys, quick review again on the charts. I told you guys I closed, which I am very happy about, but I'll go over the chart now to show you. And as you can see, my analysis in the end was correct. Like I said, I would have moved stop loss to break even around the supply, and then probably have taken profit around these red lines, so these highs or these highs. And as you can see, he went there perfectly. So for me, that's really nice to see that eventually my setup did play out. So for me, I call it a W day. And then in Forex, not gonna talk about this because it's just the same bullshit that has been happening to me for the past couple of weeks. We got tapped out like 3 pips in break even, and now he's running over 1% already again. So that kind of sucks. But yeah, that's how it goes. To be honest, still a good week. I didn't make any money, but I didn't lose, and I followed my trading plan. So for me, that is still a win, to be honest. Can't lie, because most of you know it's not going super well in Forex, and I'm still keeping myself to my rules. I'm still following my plan. And that's, I think, where a lot of you guys go wrong. After 2-3 losses, you guys go insane, you guys risk more, you guys take way more trades because you are losing, and that's not how it works. So I am kind of happy I still have this mentality and discipline to follow my rules, and that is the reason why I am profitable and you are probably not. Very simple. Follow your plan and you literally are good. So guys, I just entered, like 10 minutes ago, entered a new position on Nasdaq. I mean, I opened it on S&P because I forgot to change it, but my initial trade was on Nasdaq, and I just moved stop loss to break even. So again, fucking fire risk free again. I'll show you guys the trade. So here we go. This is my initial trade that I wanted to take. This is the trade that I actually took on trade of 8 because I still had it mixed up. Now what's the issue here? We have a bearish SMT already. S&P broke the highs, Nasdaq didn't. So that for me maybe is a reason to close already. I will see. I'm on break even, so it doesn't really matter. I'm really happy again with this. I took the trade myself. Tim is not here. I risk absolutely not enough because I don't know how to calculate the fucking contracts. I don't really care. I just want to know how to fucking trade this. And yeah, I'm really happy about it. I took the trade. I took the position. Literally no fucking drawdown. And we are booming to take profit. So for me, it feels fucking fantastic, man. Guys, look at this. This is, I can't explain this, but look at this. Fucking S&P all the way in profit, takes me out at break even, goes to full take profit, takes me out one fucking pip, takes me out. Forex, AUD, NZD, goes good in profit, goes to break even, takes me out two fucking pips, and goes all the way back. I can't explain this. I can't explain this. And there's literally nothing you can do about it, but accept it. And that's how trading works. And then people expect me to be happy and to laugh. What's up, guys? As you can see, I literally just woke up, but we already entered the position. I literally woke up, and 1 minute after we entered, Tim texted me in time to come and enter, so I will show you guys the position. We have an SMT here on Nasdaq and ES, 1 hour SMT. This one is with the lows on with the highs on 6:30, same here 6:30. Big SMT, and even we have a 5 minutes CASD. 5 minutes CASD is way more stronger than like 1 minute CASD we took yesterday and the other days. So yeah, we already moved stop loss to break even at this low, feeling pretty comfortable. We also broke these lows on Nasdaq, so it's not like we now have a bullish SMT, and now we're just waiting for Asia lows to be hit, maybe, you know, for a bullish SMT to be formed, and then we will probably close. But we're feeling pretty confident. We're on break even, so yeah, we'll just let it run. We just woke up, so this is fucking beautiful, guys. Imagine waking up, making a couple thousand, and then spending your day in the sun. It's fucking beautiful. So guys, we are back from our breakfast, and we closed the S&P trade, for 2.3 risk reward, and I made almost a little more than 2.2% on it, I think. And then we literally immediately entered a buy position after, because we swept previous day. No, we swept Asia lows. We had a crazy SMT on really clean on Nasdaq. We were way stronger on it. Then we had a 2 minute CISD, which confirmed our entry, and then we entered. You can see this is our position. So we have here our SMT right here, as you can see, and we don't have broken that low on ES. So then we have here our last high, we broke it. CISD entry, our target is London highs. This is for almost a 5 risk reward. God damn. So that could be a total 7 risk reward a day. I think I will pass my challenge, maybe, because I did lower risk on this one, since I didn't want to lose what I already made today, because I will feel bad about it. I already had a good day, so it's not worth risking more to pass my challenge or to have more profits. It doesn't work like that. So even if this hits, it's fucking good profit. This day is insane. Then we are now 9 on 10 on this futures challenge. I mean on futures in general. So I took 10 trades last week. This week we won 5, I think. We lost 1, and then 4 to break even. So I guess that's pretty solid. And then if this is also a winner, we will be kind of aggressive with our stop loss to break even, since we have some 15-minute gaps. We are actually already almost there. We are good in profit. He's pushing, so I'll keep you guys updated. W week, guys, W week. We just hit a stop loss. As you can see, Nasdaq just, I don't know what to call this. He just started dropping insane. We are on a good way though. We're on a good run. And then we had this massive candle down, basically within fucking 10 minutes after that candle. However, I am still up 2% for the day. Look at just now this fucking thing is dropping like crazy. I think we might even ruin our SMT now. It's a giant SMT. Look, he is way below the lows, and SMP is not there yet at all. But we have heavy news coming in. We have heavy news coming in 21 minutes. ADP non-farm employment change. So hell no, that I'm trading this. It doesn't really matter anymore. Up fucking 2% today, guys. Fucking W. So what will I do now is I will write out the videos for you guys so you can learn and make money with me. And then we are all going to bank together. ES almost broke the SMT. So yeah, that's it. Our shorts were insane. Shorts would have hit fucking almost 4 risk reward by now. So I'm really, really happy about that. W day, guys. W fucking day. W day, W day. Guess who did it again, guys? W day, guys. W day. We just got pizza. We have cigars. We have everything. I think I'm gonna call it a week now because tomorrow is NFP and we have to travel back. Wait, don't be bad wind. I need to travel back tomorrow, so and Friday is a holiday, 4th of July, so everything in America is closed. So I don't think I will trade anymore this week. Pretty solid week. I think we made over today 4 risk reward. Yesterday was break even, I think, and therefore again 2 or 3 risk rewards. So fucking sick week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next vlog. Don't know when that's gonna be. Probably trade recaps. The course for all the videos gonna come online this weekend. So if you wanna learn, you know where to be, man. You know where to be. Ciao, Bella.